Promoting globally competitive academic programs and ambience that support intellectual growth and skill acquisition is the trademark of the IITs. Today, let's have a look at one of the IITs which has achieved this within a short span from its establishment. Welcome to College Suggest, and in this video we are reviewing the Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications on your favorite college details, college comparisons, courses, careers, and more. As always, we will only consider the facts that are submitted by the college to the NIRF for the 2019 ranking, until the 2020 NIRF data is officially out. We leave the link in the description below. The Indian Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar is a public engineering institution established by the Government of India in 2008. It is one among the second-generation IITs and was established with a mission to bridge the gap between education, research, and industries. Let's check out the scores attained by IIT Bhubaneswar under various NIRF parameters. In teaching, learning, and resources, IIT Bhubaneswar has scored 77.5%. In research and professional practices, the score is 37.78%. Graduation outcomes have a score of 65.03%. Outreach and inclusivity have a score of 57.3%. And finally, under perception of peers, public and research investors, IIT Bhubaneswar has a score of 34.78%. Comprising all of this, the institution has a score of 56.8%. With this score, IIT Bhubaneswar has moved up to the 17th rank on the NIRF table. IIT Bhubaneswar is located in Khordha, Bhubaneswar. The nearest railway station is the Khordha Road Junction, which is 28 kilometers away, and the nearest international airport is the Biju Patnaik International Airport, which is also 28 kilometers away. IIT Bhubaneswar spreads over 936 acres. The campus provides a unique, serene, and pollution-free academic environment. The Central Library stands to be the knowledge resource of the institution and has a total of 23,000 books. Apart from the printed books, the library also has electronic journals, conference proceedings, and many other study materials in the fields of engineering and technology. The institution provides accommodation for both boys and girls. All the hostels have dining facilities for all residents, serving hygienic and delicious food. In addition to that, canteens and cafeterias are also available inside the hostel or at different places within the campus. IIT Bhubaneswar offers a wide range of sports facilities to the students. These include grounds for cricket, football, and courts for basketball, volleyball, tennis, and several other games. The institute admits students to UG and PG programs through JEE and GATE scores respectively. IIT Bhubaneswar offers 6 UG, 9 dual degree, and 14 PG programs in various specializations. IIT Bhubaneswar has an approved intake of 260 UG, 90 dual degree, and 154 PG seats. The overall count of engineering students is 1,128, out of which 88.83% are boys and 11.17% are girls. There are 99 students from within the state and 1,029 students from other parts of the country. There are no international students pursuing their engineering here currently. The institution also has 128 full-time students pursuing their PhDs. And in the last year, 5 full-time scholars were granted a PhD. IIT Bhubaneswar maintains good UG and PG graduation percentages. UG graduation has improved to 96.34%, with the total admitted number of students at 164, out of which 10.21% decided to go on to study further. PG graduation has also improved across the years by graduating 85.84% of students from the admitted 106 students. Among the graduates, 26.37% of the students decided to go on for higher studies. Since the first batch of students from the dual degree program haven't passed out, the graduation and placement stats are currently unavailable. The institution also maintains an above-average placement percentage. UG placements have improved to 91.54%. A total of 130 students from the 158 graduates were placed for a median salary package of 8.8 lakhs per annum. PG placements have dropped when compared to previous years. 53 students from the 91 graduates were placed with a placement percentage of 79.1%. The students were given 7 lakhs as a median salary. Some of the leading companies that hire students from IIT Bhubaneswar are Microsoft, Deloitte, Cognizant, Oracle, IBM, Infosys, L&T, and Mahindra. IIT Bhubaneswar has 145 faculty members in total, and all of them hold a doctorate degree. The faculty-to-student ratio is 1:7, which helps faculty members pay attention to every student individually. IIT Bhubaneswar has active research programs that help them in growing to be one of the finest research centers. The number of patents published, however, has dropped to 4, and no patents were granted in recent years. Over 16 crores was received as sponsored research funding, and over 3 crores was received as consultancy project funding. IIT Bhubaneswar has spent over 16 crores as capital expenditure, in which 32.63% was utilized on purchasing new equipment for laboratories. Over 68 crores was spent as operational expenditure, out of which a huge portion was spent on the maintenance of academic infrastructure. Alma Fiesta is the annual cultural fest of IIT Bhubaneswar. It consists of various events in which students from all over the country take part. Just like the cultural fest, academic events like seminars and symposiums are also considered regularly. The facts and performance of this institution clearly show its strength in teaching and resources. The highly talented crew of teachers contribute to the growth of the students as well as the institution. The graduation and placement stats of the institution are positive, with good progression from the previous years. The research facilities are good but need some more attention to improve their scores. With this promising stats and with the mission to create a diverse, fully engaged, learner-centric campus environment, IIT Bhubaneswar has achieved a spot among the top ones within a short span. What other interesting college reviews would you like to see? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information visit collegesuggest.com.